ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाक्य बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 750। Who is the Prashnakarta here in this Brahmana? Ujjuhu. What is the other name? Lahyayani. Purvapaksha here, Mimamsakas, they are suggesting Nitya Karma's phala is moksha. That discussion continues. Karma phala, tika last line. Karma phala vyakti anantyam uktam vyanakti. Siddhanti said, Parishesha Nyaya will not work. Why Parishesha Nyaya will not work? What was the hetu given?
Karma phala is ananta.
कर्म फल व्यक्ति नाम आनंद
कर्म फल व्यक्ति नाम अनंत्यात् से हेतु पारिशेष न्याय अनुपपत्ति. So now what is karma phala vyakti anantyam? That he describes. Nahi purushecha vishayanam karma phalanam etavatvam nama kenachit asarvajnena avadhritam tat साधनानां वा पुरुषेच्छानां वा नियत देश काल निमित्तत्वात् अनियत देश काल निमित्तत्वात् पुरुषेच्छा विषय साधनानां च पुरुषेष्ट फल प्रयुक्तत्वात्. पुरुष इच्छा विषयाणां, how many desires people have or how many kinds of desires people have. ऐसे असर्वज्ञ will never be able to say. There is no end. नहीं पुरुषेच्छा विषयाणाम इच्छायाः विषय इच्छा विषय. What do you want? What do people want? Somebody says, I want this. There is no end. So that many karma phala you will need. Karma phalanam etavatvam nama kenachid asarvajnena avadhritam na avadhritam. Asarvajna will never be able to say how much of this is there. And for that you need corresponding sadhana. Tat sadhananam va purushechhanam va aniyate desha kala nimittatvat. It is not that niyata means in this desha, this kala, this person will have only this desire. Purushechhanam va aniyata deshaka. Like somebody, today I want this. Then no, today I want something else. You see, every time you have different desires. This is how our mind is. Somebody wants something, somebody wants something else. Desha is different, kala is different, nimitta is different. So purushecha vishaya sadhananam cha purusha ishta phala prayuktatvat. Because at that time something is ishta for you, sometime else some other thing is ishta for you. This is called anantyam. There is no end to what kind of desires people entertain. टीका फलवत् फल साधनानां फल विषयेच्छानां च आनन्त्यं कथयति. फलवत् फल साधनानां फल विषय इच्छानां च. फल है अनंत्यम, फल साधन है अनंत्यम, फल विषय इच्छा है अनंत्यम. So many kinds of desires for so many kinds of vishaya. To attain that, so many means are there, infinite. तद अनंत्य हेतुमाह अनियत देश काल निमित्तत्वात्, because there is no नियत देश काल निमित्तत्व. इच्छादि अनंत्ये हेत्वंतरमाह. Another hetu is Purusha ishta phala prayuktvatvat. Something is ishta at some time. Like if somebody says, do you want umbrella all the time? You say, no, sometimes I want when there is rain. Sometimes I don't want. Do you want sweater all the time? No, only when it is cold I want. When it is hot I don't want. Do you want fan all the time? No. So like ishta is different at every time. इच्छादि आनंत्य हेत्वंतरमाह पुरुष इष्ट फल प्रयुक्त. एतावत्वम नाम नास्ति इति उभयत्र संबंध. एतावत्वम इज नॉट देयर इन इच्छा विषय, एतावत्वम इज नॉट देयर इन साधन also, and एतावत्वम is not there in इच्छा also. एतावत्वम means only this much. Only this much you can never say. Why Siddhant is explaining all this? Parisheshana. Because if you say all these cases I have already covered, only one case is not covered, Nitya Karma and Moksha, then you can use Parisheshanya. But all cases you will never be able to cover because of Anantya. So how will you do Parishesha? This is the problem. पुरुषस्य इष्टं फलं शोभनाध्यास विषयभूतं तत्र विषयिणां शोभनाध्यासेन प्रयुक्तत्वात् इति हेत्वर्थः. पुरुषस्य इष्टं फलं शोभनाध्यास विषयभूतं. पुरुषस्य इष्टफलं, what is my इष्टफलं? Where I have done शोभनाध्यास, where I have sukha buddhi, that is my ishtam phalam. Whether it is there or not, it doesn't matter. तत्र विषयिणां शोभनाध्यासेन प्रयुक्तत्वात् इति हेत्वर्थः. विषयिणां 10 number, कामिनां. So kami purusha will superimpose that ishtaphala somewhere or the other. Iti hetuartha. Hetuartha means pravritti prayojaka. Pravritti prayojaka, ichha, pravritti prayojaka, karma. In all of them there is this shobhana dhyasa is hetu. Ichhadi anantyam प्राणी भेदेषु दर्शयित्वा तद अनंत्यम एकैकस्मिन् अपि प्राणिनि दर्शयति. Not only in different people there is infinite desires, in each one also there is इच्छा अनंत्यम. प्रति प्राणी च इच्छा वैचित्र्यात् फलानां तत् साधनानां च अनंत्य सिद्धि. For each individual there is vaichitrya. Vaichitryaat phalanam tat sadhananam cha anantya siddhi. In our pangat, when we sit down for food, right? The person who comes for serving, So each person wants something different. Means only 4 items are there, not that they want different item. But in dal, for example, somebody says, I want just the water on top. I don't want anything else. In particular, like when this Rajma and Chana and is there. So some Swamis, some Mahatmas just pani. That's all. Some niche ka they want. Some move everything and then give both combination. So one round he comes, he will give the heavy part. Second round, the same fellow comes, same person will ask only water. Ichha Vaichitriya. And sometimes you say, today only rice I will eat, and today only chawal I will eat. He says, so tat sadhananam cha anantya siddhi. Ichhadi anantya phalitamaha. Then what is the phalam of this having so many kinds of desires? Tad anantya cha ashakyam etavatvam purushair jnatu. Purushaihi jnatum ashakyam. What? Etavatvam. That only this much is there, nobody can understand in this. Sadhanadishu etavatva ajnane api kim syat tada. In sadhana, etavatva sadhanadishu etavatva ajnane api. Etavatva is not known, let us say. So what? Ajnate cha sadhana phala etavatve katham mokshasya parishesha siddhihi iti. If it is not known, ajnate cha sadhana phala etavatve. Sadhana phala etavatve means sadhana phala eta. Sadhana phala only this much. If it is not known, how will you say moksha is parishesha? Moksha is the only one remaining now for which we have not assigned any karma. Therefore, moksha is the phalam of nitya karma. You will not be able to say. Iti shabda parisheshya anupapatti samaptyartha. Iti shabda is for parishesha siddhi. Iti is parisheshya anupapatti samaptyartha. Prakarantarena parisheshyam shankate. Now his Purvapakshi feels that he is cornered. So he says it is still parisheshyam, but in a different way. Prakarantarena. Karma phala jati parisheshyam iti ched. Now, whenever we don't know something and try to escape from one and say something, you will get stuck into something else. This is exactly what it is. He says, okay, it is karma phala jati parisheshyam. Karma phala jatitva it will have. If it has karma phala jatitvam, it will have whatever is the feature of karma phala. All will be there. So one is anityatvam. Second is, it will be only utpadyam, apyam, samskaryam, vikaryam. It cannot be otherwise. Tam eva shankam vishadayati. Now that karma phala jati parisheshyam, this is the shanka raised by Purvapakshi. So he explains now. Sati api ichha, chakara is missing in some books. Sati api ichha vishayanam tat sadhananam cha anantye karma phala jatitvam nama sarvesham tulyam. Ichha vishaya sadhana, they can have anantya. Even though it is there, karma phala jatitvam is there in all. Karma phala jatitvam nama sarvesham tulyam samanam. Tathapi katham mokshasya parishishtatvam tadaha. Still, how moksha is parishishta? Siddhanti is asking, okay, what are you trying? How moksha is parishishta? He says, moksha tu akarma phalatvat parishishta syat. Moksha is not karma phala. Moksha tu akarma phalatvat. 6 number tippani. Mukte he karma phalatva abhavat. Mukti is not karma phala. So it is parishishta. Tasmat. परिशेषात् स एव युक्तः कल्पयितुम् इति चेत् therefore it is means it is not assigned karma phala. Moksha tu akarma phalatvat means moksha is not mentioned as phalam of any karma. Therefore, parishesha will be that moksha is the phalam of nitya karma. So that you make it clear. Huh? Otherwise, later also moksha tu akarma phalatvat means it is not paired with anything else yet. परिशेष फलमाह तस्मात् परिशेषात् स एव युक्तः कल्पयितुम् शंकितम परिशेषम दूषयति. नाउ देयर इज दोष इन दिस. न तस्यापि नित्य कर्म फलत्व अभ्युपगमे तस्य मोक्षस्य. इफ यू से मोक्ष इज नित्य कर्म फलत्व अभ्युपगमे कर्म फल समान जातीयत्व उपपत्तेः परिशेष अनुपपत्तिः. नित्य कर्म फलत्व अभ्युपगमे कर्म फल समान जातीयत्व उपपत्तेः. तस्य मोक्षस्य नित्य कर्म फलत्व अभ्युपगमे. सो इट विल बिकम कर्म फल ऑफ नित्य कर्म. Then it will have karma phalatva. So if you do parishesha nyaya and say because it has karma phalatva, but it is not assigned karma phalatva with some karma, moksha will have to have karma phalatva. Then only it will be karma phalam of nitya karma. But it is not assigned with any other karma. So therefore, the moment you say parishesha nyayena moksha nitya karmana phalam, so then immediately it will have nitya karma phalatvam. So karma phala sajatiyatvam will come. नित्य कर्म फलत्व अभ्युपगमे कर्म फल समान जातीयत्व उपपत्तेः. And therefore it will not be any more parishesha. You said parishesha because it is not karma phala. But the moment you say it is the phalam of nitya karma, again it is going to have karma phala samana jatiyatvam. Therefore it will not be parishesha anymore. Tika. Arthapatti, not in Tika, there is a correction. Arthapatti parishesho परिशेषौ. अर्थापत्ति परिशेषौ पराकृत्य अर्थापत्ति पराकरणम प्रपंचयितुम प्रस्तौति. अर्थापत्ति and parishesha nyaya, both are parakritya, both are eliminated. Parakritya arthapatti parakaranam prapancha. Now only arthapatti he takes. Tasmad anyatha api upapattehe kshina shrutarthapatti. Earlier he said shrutarthapatti pramana. Why? Because anyatha anupapatya. Anyatha upapatti is not there for moksha. And nitya karma have vidhi. Nitya karma have to have phalam, without which people will not engage. So something you have to assign, and that has to be moksha. But now anyatha upapatti is there. Some other karma also can be there, for which some other means can be there, for which moksha will be phalam. It need not be only nitya karma. And what we say as jnana. And the nitya karma has karma phala samana jatiyatvam, so parishesha nyaya will not work. So parishesha was used for arthapatti. Since parishesha is gone, arthapatti is gone. क्षीणा श्रुतार्थापत्तिः अन्यथा अपि उपपत्तिं प्रकटयति. नाउ हाउ अन्यथा इट इज पॉसिबल? उत्पत्ति आपत्ति विकार संस्काराणाम् अन्यतमम् अपि नित्यानां कर्मणां फलम् उपपद्यते. नित्य कर्म फलम is possible as some उत्पत्ति, some आपत्ति, some विकार, some संस्कार. One of them, अन्यतमम. इति क्षीणा श्रुतार्थापत्ति. Therefore, श्रुतार्थापत्ति is क्षीणा. नित्यानाम उत्पत्त्यादि फलत्वे अपि मोक्षस्य तत्फलत्वं सिद्ध्यति इति शंकते. नित्यानाम उत्पत्त्यादि फलत्वे अपि नित्यानाम कर्मणाम उत्पत्ति आपत्ति इज पॉसिबल. मोक्षस्य तत्फलत्वं सिद्ध्यति. पूर्वपक्षी इज डूइंग शंका. चतुर्णाम अन्यतम एव मोक्ष इति चेत् he says maybe moksha is one of the four: utpatti apti samskar vikara. So now Siddhanti will say no. Tatra mokshasya utpadyatvam dushayati. He will take each one and say moksha cannot be utpadya, moksha cannot be apya, samskarya, like that. So in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangraha also lot of these topics we have covered, at least this part. न तावत् उत्पाद्यो नित्यत्वात् न तावत् मोक्ष उत्पाद्यः नित्यत्व. Moksha is not utpadya because it is nitya. अतएव अविकार्यो असंस्कार्यश्च एव. And for this reason also it is avikarya or samskarya. Because it is nitya. That which is nitya is not utpadya. That which is nitya is not vikarya. That is not, which is nitya is not samskarya. Ataeva asadhana dravyatmakatvacha. And therefore it is असाधन द्रव्यात्मक. असाधन द्रव्यात्मक. Further he explains. Sadhanatmakam hi dravyam samskriyate. Before that in Tika, Ubhayatra atah shabdo nityatva paramarshi. Ubhayatra atah shabda. Atava avikarya nityatva. Atah means nityatvat avikarya. Nityatvat asamskarya. संस्कार्यत्वे हेत्वंतरमाह असाधन द्रव्यात्मकत्वाच्च. साधनात्मकम ही द्रव्यम संस्क्रियते. दैट विच इज साधनात्मक द्रव्य, इन दैट अलोन यू कैन डू संस्कार. सो आत्मा इज नॉट साधन. तदेव व्यतिरेक मुखेण विवृणोति. If it is sadhanatmaka dravya, you can have samskara. That which is not sadhanatmaka dravya, it cannot have samskara. See, earlier that's what the shabda, earlier it was sadhana dravyatmaka. Then further he says sadhanatmaka dravya. Means sadhanam cha tad dravyam cha iti sadhana dravyam tadatmakah sadhana dravyatmakah. Whether you say sadhana dravyatmaka or whether you say sadhanatmaka dravya, it is understood as one based on the prayoga, how it is done. इतश्च मोक्षस्य असंस्क्रियमाणत्वम् इत्याह. Also, moksha is before that yatha पात्र आज्यादि प्रोक्षण ईक्षणादिना Prokshana is like Vrihi, etc. Vrihi Prokshana is there. And Ajya Patra Ikshana by Yajmana Patni. 7 number Tippani you see. Patni Avekshitam Ajyam Bhavati. So this is called Samskara. Like when we do Prokshana. Jalena Dravyam Prokshya Devam Atmanam cha prokshya. So you do prokshanam. When you do prokshanam, somebody will ask, what did you accomplish by prokshana? This is adrishtam. You don't ask, why should we do this? What difference does it make whether you sprinkle water or not? Anyway, it doesn't go on each part. They just say you have to do the karma. Another karma is this. Yajmana Patni will be sitting when they will say, you have to look into it. That Ajya Patra is there, you see. Okay, done. So somebody will ask, what did she accomplish by seeing it? How did it do samskara? It is the Veda Vakya. There is no question in here. So this is a different prakriya. But you see, in karma kanda, they say you don't ask questions, you just do, because it is vidhi nishedhatmaka. In Vedanta, you can raise questions. Otherwise, there is no thinking only. Whatever they say, you just, it is Shraddha Vishaya there. If somebody will ask, like, for example, Panchikaranam, how 1/5 of Akasha, 1/5 of Vayu, 1/5, how they are there, and then Ardha Bhaga is Akasha, remaining 8.5% combining with others. How did all this happen? This is Kalpana. Trivrit Karanam is given so that how from Sukshma Panchamahabhut to Sthula Panchamahabhut, one Prakriya is given. You may have question, some explanation is given. To prove that Mahabhutas were Sukshma also and Sthula also. Itasya mokshasya asamskriyamanattvam. Na cha samskriyamanaha samskara nirvartyo va yupadivat. Samskriyamanaha samskara nirvartyo na. Like Yupa. Yupa means this sacrificial post where they are going to do samskara. Because it is just piece of wood, they will cut it, Ashtashri Karoti, and then they will polish it and all, it will shine like sun, Aditya. There is samskara. Moksha is not like that. Yatha Yupaha, see, Yupas Takshana Ashtashri Karanabhyas, then Janadina Samskriyate. In your pustaka, Ashtashri Karanabhya, then Anunasik is there. Huh? संस्क्रियते। यथा च आहवनीय अग्नि संस्कारेण निष्पाद्यते न तथा मोक्षो नित्य शुद्धत्वात् निर्गुणत्वात् च इत्यर्थः। मोक्ष इज नित्य शुद्ध निर्गुण। पक्षांतरम अनुभाष्य दूषयति। पारिशेष्याद् आप्यः स्यात् न आप्यो अपि आत्मस्वभावत्वात् एकत्वात् च। न आप्यः, it is not आप्य, आत्मस्वभावत्वात्। आत्मस्वभाव means it is me, myself, and it is eka. Ekatva means purnatvam. Purnatvat, there is no apti required. I am already that. साधन वैलक्षण्यम फल वैलक्षण्यम कल्पयति इति शंकते. Not only that, another point is there. If sadhana vailakshanya is there, phala vailakshanya will be there. This is another niyama. Means, if you use clay and you produce clay, water and things like that, you can produce pot, it will be clay pot. Phala will be different. If you use silver and some other things and produce a pot, it will be silver pot. If you use copper, it will be copper pot. So, sadhanas are different, phala is different. Sadhana vailakshanyam, phala vailakshanyam kalpayati. Online students, all of you are getting this?
Yes.
It's straightforward topic. No prashna, no vichara. Yes, we have already done this vichara earlier. Itaraihi karmabhihi vailakshanyat nityanam karmanam tat phalenapi vilakshanyena bhavitavyam iti chet. Itaraihi karmabhihi vailakshanyat. If moksha is different from other karma phala, itaraihi karmabhihi vailakshanyat. Nityanam karmanam tat phalena api vilakshanyena bhavitavyam. So Purva Pakshi is suggesting this. All other karmas are kamya karma. There or some naimittika karma, etc. Their phalam is one type. Nitya karmas, they are of different type. So there you need something else. Why it has to be same as any other karma? Itaraihi karmabhihi vailakshanyam. Nityanam vailakshanya nityanam karmanam tat phalena api vilakshanyena bhavitavyam iti chet na. हेतु वैलक्षण्य असिद्धौ कल्पक अभावात् फल वैलक्षण्य असिद्धि इति दोषः. If hetu is same, phala will be same. Hetu doesn't have vailakshanyam, phala cannot have vailakshanyam. Na karmatva salakshanyat salakshanam kasmat phalam na bhavati itara karma phalaihi. If karmatva is samanam, then karma phalatvam also will be samanam. Why itara karma phalaihi phalam भिन्नम? कर्मत्व सालक्षण्यात. Karmatva is samana lakshanam. Then phalam also will be samanam. Nimitta krita hetu vailakshanya vashat phala vailakshanya asiddhi. Phala vailakshanya siddhi. Nimitta krita hetu vailakshanya vashat phala vailakshanya siddhi. Purva Pakshi says nimitta is different. Nitya karma nimitta is because it is nitya karma you have to do. Kamya karma nimitta is some kamana. So nimitta krita hetu vailakshanya. This is the hetu vailakshanyam. Because nimitta is what? Yavat, 9 number tippani. Yavat jivam ityadi jivanadi nimitta prayukta sadhana. This is different. Whereas kamya karma, they have different nimitta. So nimitta is different. Therefore phalam will be different. इति शङ्कते निमित्तवैलक्षण्यात् इति चेत् सिद्धान्ति says न निमित्तवैलक्षण्यं फलवैलक्षण्यस्य अनिमित्तम् इति परिहरति. निमित्तवैलक्षण्यम् is फलवैलक्षण्यस्य अनिमित्तम्. If nimitta is different, whether somewhere it is given as yavat jived agnihotram juhoti, and something is you are doing because of kamana, phalam will be there, same. Same means phalam will be anityam in either case. इति परिहरति न क्षामवत्यादिभिः समानत्वात्. क्षामवती इष्टि it is similar to Kshamavati Ishti. Kshamavati Ishti is not explained here, but it is explained elsewhere. What is that? I will tell you. Let's say somebody in the olden days, they used to have this Garhapatya Agni in their house all the time burning. Let us say everybody goes out, and for some reason that Agni flares up and the whole house is gone. So now that Agni Shamanam, for that you have to do Kshamavati Ishti. It's a Naimittika karma. Here in Tippani, some mentions are there. You see 7 number Tippani. Na nityanam moksha phalatvam tesham anuswara naimittikaihi क्षामवत्यादिभिः इष्टिभिः तुल्य फलत्वात् इत्यर्थः. Nitya karma cannot give moksha phalam. Why? It is similar to some other naimittika karma like Kshamavati Ishti. So Kshamavati that you have to do. There are this me here sometimes, some people, they light a lamp in their house and then everybody goes and lamp is there. And then the whole house is gone. That means Agni wanted more food. So Agni Devata has consumed. So now you have to do some Kshamavati Ishti. That is the Naimittika karma. Tadeva prapanchayati. Here they have explained. Good. Yathahi. गृहदाहादौ निमित्ते क्षामवत्यादि इष्टिः यथा भिन्ने जुहोति स्कन्ने जुहोति इति एवं आदौ नैमित्तिकेषु कर्मसु न मोक्षः फलं कल्प्यते. So nimitta is given. If there is grihadahadau nimitte kshamavattyadi ishti, you have to do. And then bhinne juhoti, skanne juhoti. So when one has to do homa, kumbhi patra, if it is bhinna, then you have to do homa. Means at that time you have to offer. Or skanne juhoti. Skanna means if there is a pot filled with ghee, and then you see that ghee is dripping at that time, and you say immediately do homa at that time. These are some naimittika. So when some such thing happens, then you have to do a homa. Or when you are already doing the homa, but you are waiting for something else, and then suddenly you see this is happening, you do. So they are all naimittika. Naimittikeshu karmasu na moksha phalam kalpyate. Taischa अविशेषात् नैमित्तिकत्वेन जीवनादि निमित्ते च श्रवणात्. So they are avishesha. Avishesha means they are not bhinna. They are not any different. Nitya naimittika karma are not different. नैमित्तिकत्वेन जीवनादि निमित्ते च श्रवणात् तथा नित्यानाम अपि न मोक्षः फलम्. So either it is जीवनादि nimitta or some other nimitta. Like that, nitya karma also will have no moksha phalam, just like others don't have moksha phalam. Tika we will see later. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः.